Fluval-Compatible. Our foam filter pack is designed for perfect compatibility with Fluval-TM external canister filters models 304 305, 306, 300 liter, 70 gallon, and 404 405, 406, 400 liter, 100 gallon. Highly effective. Our foam offers top-notch mechanical and biological filtration, capturing small particles that are not picked up in the first filtration stage. The network of pores and large surface area ensure a healthy tank, letting your fish and plants thrive. Highly compatible. Our foam compatible with Fluval filters are made to exact specifications from the highest quality filtration foam. Compatible with fresh and saltwater marine aquariums. Value pack. Our 4-pack of filter foams ensure that you are never without a replacement when you need one. No need to pay top dollar for replacement filters. Our filter are ideal for your device. Please note, this is an aftermarket product, produced by Empresa Products. We have no affiliation with or endorsement from any of the manufacturers mentioned. Top reviews from the United States. Works just like the OEM. These seem to be just like the OEM. Only difference is packaging. Another reviewer said they were not cut, etc. This is not true in the ones I have purchased, several purchases. Looking through the shrink wrap, they appear to be one solid foam block, but after you take the wrap off, they are separate foam egg crate cut blocks just like the OEM.